Did you hold me close? Or did you abandon me? Did you touch me through the skin of your belly? Or could you not wait until I was born and out of your way? Did you leave me on the doorstep of an orphanage, withhold your love so that I may find another? You let me go. You gave up. You didn't mean to leave me. Perhaps you are still living in abject poverty. You may be more alone than I ever was or will be. Were you too preoccupied looking after my siblings? Did you love my sibling more than me? You saved me from a lifetime of work in a factory. You couldn't afford a child. You asked for me to be adopted. You saved me from summary resolution. You are brave, even if your way of being a mother was to let me go. You let me leave, and didn't let officials force an abortion upon you. Or perhaps you're clever and hid. You struggled in life, or perhaps you were promiscuous. You are something which makes me feel detached to my own parents. The attachment is like a thin piece of thread. The best way I can learn about you is by asking questions and researching. This isn't an investigation of me. It's of who created me. That part of my life that I'm biologically attached to. However, presently, you won't remember anything. I will never know all the answers, and as I grow older, I feel a bigger sense of needing to know myself.